Let us now, using a flowchart, try to find out the area of a rectangle. The area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So we need two variables or two memory location, one memory location to hold the length, one memory location to hold the breadth. And we need a third memory location to hold the result of multiplying length into breadth, which happens to be the area. So if we have to calculate the area of a rectangle, we have to read the length and breadth. In the next step, we have to calculate area as the product of length into breadth. Last step, we need to print the value of area and then we have to stop. Here I am using pre-created flowchart symbols so that my life is a little easier and I can spend more time actually explaining. So every flowchart has this particular symbol as the start. Then what do I do next is the arrow flows and I am required to read the length and breadth because I am calculating the area of a rectangle. So here what I am going to say is I am going to say read L comma P. L stands for length, P stands for breadth. What is the next step of doing after I calculate or read the length and breadth? I am required to calculate the area. What is the formula to calculate the area? I can say area is assigned the value length into breadth. This stands for multiplication sign, which is commonly used in most programming languages. Now we have calculated the area. Here I have used parallelogram because I am doing input. Here I have used rectangle because I am doing a calculation. So there are only few basic symbols you will be using again and again. Start, input, output, parallelogram, calculation, rectangle. Now I need to display the area. Again I am going to use the parallelogram. So I am going to here say print area. So the area is going to be displayed, and once area is displayed, I am going to come to a stop. So I hope taking a look at this logic, you have understood how you can calculate the area of a rectangle. The first question you should ask is what is the input data required? The input data is length and breadth. Where is the result going to be stored? In a memory location called area. What is the calculation? Area is length into breadth. And finally, you need to print the area. Important aspect in logic is these steps should be in a proper sequence. You cannot calculate the area before reading the length and breadth, nor can you print the area before calculating the area as length into breadth. So you need to understand that a algorithm or a flowchart is a logical or a sequential description of well ordered steps to solve a given problem.